Got a very interesting question today involving Wi-Fi. Guys that are always interesting, attorneys Greg Fellerman and Ed Saramboli are here for the law. And you guys, nice to see you today.
We are always interesting.
All right, I can't wait to hear the answer on this one. Let's get to it. This one is from Jack in Tamaqua. I travel for business and notice that some of the hotel chains block my Wi-Fi. Is this legal? Does Jack in Tamaqua here have a beef with his Wi-Fi getting blocked?
Jack, it's not legal. As a matter of fact, a very, very big hotel chain just got clipped for damages on this, doing exactly that. So no, it is not legal. I don't know what hotels chains you're going to, but it can end up being a very big case because the hotels cannot do this. There was just a big article about it.
Right. I think it happened down south at one of the bigger hotel chains in their convention center. And what happened is they were blocking the presenter's ability to access the internet. And it's basically an FCC violation. And I believe that's who stepped in on them and said, hey, you can't do this.
Then they were charging them for the Wi-Fi for the hotel.
Oh, yeah, charging them an exorbitant amount of money when they were bringing their own Wi-Fi. So don't be surprised if you see some class action lawsuits popping up on this. And if it happened to you, pick up the phone and give us a call. We might be able to point you in the right direction.
All right, anybody that finds themselves in this situation, maybe they have Wi-Fi blocked and they need some legal advice, what's the best way to get a hold of you guys?
They can call us at 570-714-HURT. See us on the web at 714hurt.com.
Or go to our Facebook page. I mean, it's kind of a quirky question and interesting that it's in the news as well. But put it on our page. We'll do our best to answer it in an upcoming segment.
See, I wouldn't even know that's possible.
It's a very and it was on just last week. It popped up on that. So
all right, good thing to bring up for sure. Attorneys Greg Fellerman and Ed Saramboli, guys, thanks. We'll see you next time.
See you tomorrow.
PAHomepage.com or the hotline, your best places to get a question to us here on The Law and You. It's time for the Monday edition of The Law and You. Back with us, attorneys Greg Fellerman and Ed Saramboli. Guys, hope you had a great weekend.
it was Greg's 50th birthday.
No way. Happy birthday, Greg. 50 years old. That's incredible.
Not yet. It's this month, though.
You don't look a day over 53.
You guys are rough.
All right, let's get to the question here as Greg continues to celebrate. My son and his friends were driving from New York. A truck cut them off and they ran into the back of the truck. They were all hurt very badly. We just found out that the truck driver is denying that he cut them off. What can we do? What can Mary and Jessup do in this situation?
Well, Mary, the first thing you're going to need to do, you are going to need to get to a lawyer on this because you are in for an absolute dogfight on this. The trucking company is going to fight you tooth and nail, especially on liability, especially if the truck driver is denying liability. What you're going to need to do is get to a lawyer, and the first thing that lawyer is going to need to do is get their own accident reconstruction, so that you can show that this truck driver is lying and that the crash happened exactly the way the driver, I think it was your son or daughter, said it happened. So it's really important. The evidence and the timing of the evidence is really critical in these cases. Get to somebody that knows what they're doing on these things.
And when Ed's talking about accident reconstruction, what he means is you have to recreate what happened, and how you do that is by documenting it, sending out an investigator, taking witness statement, taking photographs, photographing the vehicles, letting someone do some analysis, look if there's skid marks, look at gouge marks in the road. There's a whole big process that needs to be done. So, and I can assure you, the trucking company is out there doing it right now, so they don't have to pay you. So, you have to do your own investigation, and the evidence is fresh. You got to get on it.
Yeah.
All right, our viewers that may be involved in an accident and they need to talk to you very soon, how can they do that?
They call us at 570-714-HURT. Or see us on the web at 714hurt.com.
You think the internet's not going to catch on?
No, it's caught on. Al Gore invented it.
Or go to our Facebook page. And if you have a question, put it on our page. We'll do our best to answer it on an upcoming segment.
Results matter. Attorneys Greg Fellerman and Ed Saramboli. Gentlemen, thanks.
We'll see you tomorrow.
PAHomepage.com, or of course you can always hit us up on the Law and You hotline to have your question right here on the show.